for you. Put the boxes on the shelves. Oh no! It's dusty on the shelves. Let's clean them up. Put the products on the shelves. Great! We are ready. Let's open for business. The customer finishes shopping. Please check out the product. Scan the products. How would you like to pay? Enter the corresponding numbers according to the amount on the screen. Place your mobile phone over the contactless reader for successful payment. Thank you and have a nice day. Hello, let me get you some drink. Take an empty cup first. Press the button and the tasty drink is ready. Wow, the drink must taste good. Here's your drink. Enjoy!